As the 20th century was drawing to a close amidst the frenzy of the dot-com bubble and the birth of the euro, Japan was quietly entering a revolution of its own. But this was no ordinary upheaval. This was a financial uprising led not by Wall Street tycoons or corporate magnates, but by an unexpected group at the heart of Tokyo's humdrum domestic life. Imagine, if you will, the year 1999, when the world was bracing for the Y2K bug. Somewhere in Tokyo, a group of ordinary housewives embarked on an extraordinary journey. Armed with nothing but their desktop computers, these women, affectionately dubbed Mrs. Watanabe, started something that would challenge the very fabric of the global financial markets. Here at Apex Chronicles, we're peeling back the layers of this astonishing story, how a quiet revolution spearheaded by these Japanese housewives rattled the cages of Wall Street's lions and the towering banks that seemed untouchable. These women utilized their insight, intuition, and the internet to delve into the world of currency trading, a domain hitherto dominated by the financial elite. But how did they do it? What drove these everyday heroes to step into the global financial arena? And more importantly, how did their actions ripple across the oceans to touch economies worldwide? Stay with us as Apex Chronicles unfolds the mesmerizing tale of empowerment, determination, and the indomitable spirit of Mrs. Watanabe. Their journey not only redefined their roles within Japanese society, but also marked a pivotal shift in the world of currency trading. This is the story of an economic rebellion, born from the heart of the ordinary that echoed around the globe. Welcome to an episode that promises not just to enlighten, but to inspire. You're watching Apex Chronicles, and today we're diving deep into the captivating saga of Mrs. Watanabe and her seismic impact on the financial world. So grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's embark on this journey together. In the late 80s, Japan was a beacon of economic success, a powerhouse on the global stage. Everything gleamed with promise. Yet as the calendar turned, that sheen faded into the shadows of the 90s, marking the onset of Japan's infamous lost decade. It was a time of plummeting interest rates and savings that seemed to vanish like mist. In these dim hours, hope was a rare commodity. From this financial chasm, an unexpected beacon of resilience emerged. They were called Mrs. Watanabes.
Mrs. Watanabe. Mrs. Watanabe. Mrs. Watanabe.
A term of endearment for the legion of housewives who refused to let their families' futures drift into uncertainty. Not bound by despair or convention, these women ventured boldly into forex trading. They championed the carry trade strategy, a lifeline cast over turbulent waters, a source of stability when all else seemed to crumble. Vast and unfathomable became the stage for an audacious ballet. Our protagonists, the revered Mrs. Watanabes, embarked on a voyage across turbulent seas. With yen borrowed at whispers of interest, they reached for foreign currencies, glittering with promise on distant shores. This pursuit, elegant in its strategy, seemed as though it would redefine the essence of success. But the fabric of fate is woven with threads of unpredictability. The year 1998 unfurled a tempest named the Russian financial crisis, a stark reminder of the market's whims. The ascent of the yen, once a gentle breeze under the sails of our intrepid navigators, now roared as a gale, transforming dreams into a voyage through treacherous waters. In the heart of turmoil, amidst waves that threatened to engulf, the spirit of Mrs. Watanabe endured. It was not the calm seas, but the storm that revealed the depth of their courage, a luminous beacon of hope flickering undimmed. In this crucible of uncertainty, they emerged, not unscathed, but undaunted, forever altering the tapestry of financial law. In the tapestry of financial endeavors, every stitch of adversity intertwines with threads of innovation. The saga of Mrs. Watanabe transcends the shores of Japan, weaving into the global narrative through sheer force of will and wisdom. By 2005, the term Mrs. Watanabe had evolved from a local label to a universal symbol, marking the indomitable entrance of Japanese housewives into the fervent arena of forex markets. The advent of quantitative easing introduced new layers of complexity, swirling like mist over the financial landscape. Yet, it was this very mist that sparked an awakening as the allure of the carry trade flourished, unfettered by the fog of uncertainty. 2008 unfurled a financial maelstrom that redefined the essence of risk, reminding the world of our tethered fates, a shared tale woven with loss and imbued with caution. Yet, in this storm of chaos, the legacy of Mrs. Watanabe stood as a beacon of tenacity and courage, illuminating a path through the tempest. From local homes to global recognition, their journey through the heart of financial tumult underscores a poignant truth. In the crucible of crisis, the true strength of spirit endures, crafting legacies that resonate far beyond the confines of markets and crises. As the dust settled on the battlegrounds of financial upheaval, a palpable shift stirred the air. The storied Mrs. Watanabe, once the quiet architects of the carry trade, turned their sights toward the swift currents of day trading. This new chapter spoke of immediacy and a remarkable adaptability, traits that mirrored the evolving pulse of the global markets. Into this landscape of change swept Abenomics, a bold suite of policies unleashed by Japan's leadership to breathe life into its slumbering economy. With aggressive strategies, these reforms were not just economic directives but a clarion call to the nation, promising revival and prosperity. This was the dawn of a new era for Mrs. Watanabe, now nimble traders navigating through the complexities of both local and global tides. As Abenomics reshaped the economic framework, these pioneering spirits found new ways to thrive, their investments echoing the beats of innovation and resurgence. From the legacy of careful investments to the adrenaline of market swings, Mrs. Watanabe remains a testament to the enduring human spirit, a symphony of strategy, evolution, and undying adaptability. In today's ever-shifting financial panorama, the term Mrs. Watanabe resonates deeper than ever before. It's a vibrant testament to adaptability, resilience, and the indomitable spirit of retail investors who are now pivotal in shaping the pulse of global finance. From within the quiet boundaries of home offices, these robust souls continue to navigate the volatile seas of the market. Empowered by leaps in technology, these investors harness real-time data and advanced analytics to make informed decisions, their fingers poised on the pulse of global economic shifts. Their presence in the market is no longer just felt, it's influential, reshaping investment landscapes and redefining what it means to be a force in economics. As we gaze into the horizons of tomorrow, the legacy of Mrs. Watanabe evolves, promising a new era marked by heightened participation and strategic acumen. Steered by unwavering resolve and cutting-edge technology, these trailblazers are not just riding the waves, they are directing them, crafting a future where the essence of personal investment is synonymous with innovation and profound impact. In this unfolding saga, the spirits of Mrs. Watanabe stand as beacons of progress, symbolizing a future etched with the bold strokes of those who dare to dream and act. From the meticulous management of household budgets to becoming heralds of global financial trends, the journey of Mrs. Watanabe is a profound testament to the democratization of financial markets. More than a narrative of financial acumen, Theirs is a saga of courage, adaptability, and the transformative power of risk-taking that shapes success. This odyssey, enriched with commitment and perpetual evolution, mirrors the undying spirit and transformation of those who dare to influence and redefine their fates. Mrs. Watanabe has not just participated in the markets, they have sculpted them, turning personal journeys into global movements. Thank you for joining us in uncovering this captivating odyssey. We invite you to dive deeper into tales of transformation and resilience with us, right here, where every narrative is not just a story, but an epic in its own right. Join us again as we explore more epics of endurance, innovation, and heart. Until next time, carry forward the spirit of Mrs. Watanabe, where every decision is a step towards reshaping worlds.